or well, I call the minister, MP Natalie Hedley, Nita Garvey, sorry. I want to touch on one thing that was said earlier, and then I want to touch on a comment that was made by MP Rhoda Crawford. Our minor water supplies, the minister went about, and in Manchester, he has put about 4 water shops. Those water shops cost us about $12 million on a monthly basis. Those were put up in areas where there should be no NWC water. We have to buy the water from the NWC. We have to chuck it to the people. We have to pay people to watch what is happening there. And to date, the minister has not increased the budget for minor water supply. He can check the facts. He's going to come with something else. But one thing I am not afraid of is that to tell people you must not be intellectual dishonest. Tell the people the truth. The truth, nothing helps but the truth. MP Crawford at a meeting on Sunday referenced 2 matters. One, that she has suffered based on a comment that somebody had said. And it has been happening a long time at the Manchester Municipal Corporation. But let me state categorically, the Manchester Municipal Corporation, or no corporation that I know, play no tricks with anybody money. We don't play no tricks with people money. I can tell you when the MP says that she has to stop sending money to us, I will tell you what happened, because it is the truth. The MP got a Christmas allocation. She went about herself and gave out the works. Asked my technical persons to pay the bill. And I told them it could not happen. Our reference must be from the technical persons. We are not rubber stamping. We believe in accountability, responsibility, and integrity at the Manchester Municipal Corporation. No MP can instruct the Manchester Municipal Corporation. She spoke about when a former councillor died and that I was hogging up the money. The law is the law. I had consultation with her. She sent me some information, and I worked with the information. But when she began to politicize what was happening, then I had to take a break. The people didn't just vote, or the residents in the community, they are not just labor rights. They are PNP and labor rights. And so I want to say to her, tell the people the truth. Don't cover it. Because Manchester people, central Manchester people, are looking for the truth. She talked about roads. She named a few. We just did some work on Ward Avenue. She is in charge of the road that leads from Main Street down at Bird's gas station to the town center. Tell her to go and look at it. When you talk about Perth Road, you look at Perth Road in Mandeville and tell me if the MP is doing any work. I mean, you can talk as you like, but the people will look on to see what is happening. Look at the Winston Jones Highway and the bush that is there. I can't even call it whatever, but it is bush. She has not done any work on those, but she gets up to speak about other things that don't come to her. I'm asking her to be, she's a teacher, tell the people the truth. She's the Minister of Education, don't misinform the people, because the people will hold you accountable for the things you have said to them. Overall, I want to say the Manchester Municipal Corporation does not use any tactics at all in delaying any money or payments or works or project for any MP whatsoever. The comments made by whoever are not the views of the Manchester Municipal Corporation. and I state that categorically. I have made sure that I have said to my CEO, anything that comes in here, members of parliament, must be brought to my attention because I know how the CDF business work. And so we have been doing that. The member of parliament must tell you the truth, that she tried to circumvent the system and I had to straighten it out. Enjoy the rest of the morning.